Oh, Sir Leo, you are not far from, California? How many hours by car? Miss Kelly, she's with her trans friends, maybe. Yeah, I think so. She's busy. Because Jikon is from Cali. They're friend with Miss Kali. Miss Kali, where are you? Sabaan. Masabaan. No, not too far from California. Okay. So maybe just 2 hours, 1 hour, something. Ayan, si Jikon, si Sir Leo from diba, Nebraska. Malayo yan, malapit lang. I go to California. My son is in the Navy there in San Diego. Okay. You go there open. So you can meet each other with Miss Kali. It's easy for you guys to meet up. To do, how to say this? Meeting. Meetings together. All YouTuber. Get together. It's a get together. I flies there every so often to see my son and granddaughter. Okay. Okay. How many son you have, Sir Leo? They're still available? Charot. Sis Jikon, maghingi tayo kay Sir Leo. Is there still available, Sir Leo? How many son do you have? How many child? Na-interested na sa bata. Sabihin ni Sir Leo, ako man unta ang ang naghahanap nga nung maghahanap sa bata. 1 son and 1 daughter. Okay. Okay. 1 son and 1 daughter? Only 2? Daughter has 2 boys, son has 1 daughter, that's all. You don't have grandson. Boys, 2 boys, son has 1 daughter. So your family name is Disapper because your son, he have only 1 daughter, right? So your family name will be Disapper if your granddaughter will get married. I am right. I don't know how it's the system of the family there. Congratulations, you have already 3 grandchild. Ano ba yun? Patakar ako English. Pataka English si hard talk. Yeah, you're right. The family name disappeared. Yeah. So, your son will make one son. Another one son more. But I got nephews to have boys, so the family name still around. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but on your part is disappear already. Your son will make one. Will make one in another another 1 son. Usually he's still young. Yeah, I think he can have more. 1 or more, but need to be sure it's a boy. Si Jen, ano na? Ano yung package deal? Na-change topic na ta. Change topic na yung package deal natin. Si Jikon, kaway-kaway ba? Mahal. May pant. Kaway-kaway, mahal. Kaway-kaway dyan sa ating wait, will do this